How to share the link of a WhatsApp group. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can share the link of a WhatsApp group, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to share the link of a WhatsApp group, then all you have to do is simply go ahead and open the WhatsApp Messenger application here. In order to share the link of a WhatsApp group, you need to go ahead and then actually first of all just make sure you're the admin of the group. Then once you've done that, you want to go to the specific group here. Then all you need to do is just go ahead and tap on the group name, which is at the very top of the screen. Once you tap the group name from the very top of the screen, you just need to scroll down, and then here you'll find the option called invite via link. So you can see I, which means you is me, is the group admin. If I'm not the group admin, I wouldn't have been able to see this option over here that says invite via link. So you want to tap on invite via link, and then you can just choose to copy the link, send link via WhatsApp, share the link, or you can also get the QR code, or you can choose to reset the link in order to just go to the specific link over here. This is how you can share a link of a WhatsApp group. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.